Good morning, third grade. We're getting ready to start our non-objective painting, and we have to work on the drawing portion first, as we always do. And I've got my piece of paper here, and it doesn't matter because it's non-objective, and we already know that that means we're just working with line, shape, color. For today, it's just going to be the shape and color part of our project, and it doesn't matter if you work horizontally or if you want to work vertically. I have it horizontal because it just works out a little bit better for you to see on the video. So you're going to start by picking just one geometric shape. It doesn't matter what geometric shape you choose, okay? But that's the one you're going to use for your entire non-objective painting, okay? So I'm going to go with a triangle just because I don't know. That's what I'm choosing. But you can choose circle, square, rectangle, whatever you want to. And you're going to start out just simply drawing that shape, whatever it is. And you're going to work with different sizes. They can overlap, okay? Different in my case with a triangle, there's different kinds of triangles, so you can certainly work with different, thinking of the edge of your paper as a side, okay? And you want to really break up the space, remember, going off the edges of your paper so that you don't have large, like this is a shape here, doesn't have a name, so it's organic, but it's too big. So we want to work on breaking up the space of our paper and going off the edges, okay? Draw lightly. I'm drawing a bit darker so you can see it in the video. So we're just working on filling up the space of our paper, overlapping with a geometric. Now, if you have, I guess I did about 5 shapes and you still have some space, you can really work with some directional lines as well. I think I'm going to throw one more in here on the corner just to give kind of an interesting space, and in doing that, look, I've created another triangle. So 5 or 6 of the shapes, as long as they're not too small. And then if you want, kind of like what we did in our abstract portrait, you can use some directional lines to help with breaking up that space even more. I wouldn't do too many. You don't want it to get too busy. I'm going to throw maybe like 3 in because I feel like maybe one more because I feel like this shape here is kind of large, so I'm just going to cross over into here. So I've used just one. I think I have 6 of my geometric shape. Notice it's the same one, okay? That's going to create a uniformity in our composition just using one of them. And then I've used 4 directional lines. So it just depends on your composition and how big your leftover spaces are. At this point, we're going to go ahead and stop for this week. I'm going to pick up next week with the video that's going to take us into the color. So I don't want you doing color this week. Just kind of end here with the video. Until next time, third graders.